Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is BRcrochet. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this daisy granny square as it is here, and you will be needing your yarn, which is in 3 colors, your 4.5 hook. You can use 4.0, 3.5. It depends on how big or how small you want your granny square to look. A 4.5 and a pair of scissors. So this is everything you need for this tutorial. Let's get into class. Please like, share and subscribe. So I'm going to go in with a slip knot. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go back to the first chain, which is 1, 2, 3 backward. 1, 2, 3. So the first chain, go with a slip stitch to form a ring. So I have a tiny ring here. I'm going to chain 1. Into the ring, I'm going to have 12 single crochet. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 single crochet, which is, you count by this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then to slip stitch, you have 12. So in total now you have 12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. Make a chain of 2, then cut your yarn. Go into the same chain here. To fasten your tied knots. So you have this. You can cut your excess yarn. So this is the first row. The first row is make a ring, then make 12 single crochet in the ring. For the next row, I'm going to go into the same stitch here. You can go in from anywhere, but I'm going in from here. So I'm going to make a chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Into the same stitch here, you're going to have a slip stitch. Go in, pull up, then slip it in. Into the next, you go in the slip stitch again. You're going to make a chain of 16 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16. Into the same stitch here, you're going to go in with a slip stitch. So go in, pull up, then slip it in. Go into the next, repeat the same, slip it in, chain 16 also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 then 16. Into the same stitch here, into the same stitch you go with a slip stitch. Go into the next with a slip stitch, into the next here with a slip stitch. So now you have something like this. Continue to chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Into the same stitch here you make a slip stitch, then into the next you also make a slip stitch. You're going to chain 16 again. Please make sure that it's not twisted. Make sure you have it on a straight line. It's not twisted like this. It should be on a straight line. Chain 16 again. So you're going to continue until you have a total of 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. You're going to do the same pass, make a slip stitch, into the next also make a slip stitch. So you have this 1 2 3 4 5. So I have 5 now. I'm just going to go in 7 more. 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to go in 7 until I have 12 in total. So I have my last stitch here and I have a total of 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, then the last, which is 12th one. So now I'm just going to make a slip stitch into this part, make a chain of 2, then cut off my yarn. So now this is what I'm having. Please make sure that it's not twisted. So this is what I'm having in total. Now I'm going to divide my granny square. So I'm going to go with my next color. I'm just going to go in from anywhere. Please make sure that it's not twisted, it's not working like this, or it's not going like this. Please make sure that it's on a straight line. So here you're going to chain 5. This is the inner part and this is the outer part. So make sure you're working on the outer part, which is here. You're going to make a chain of 5. 2 3 4 5. Go into the next on a straight line and make a single crochet like this. Chain 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5. Go into the next on a straight line and make a single crochet. So you have this. Make a chain of 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5. Go into the next on a straight line and make a single crochet. make a chain of 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5. Go into the next on a straight line and make a single crochet. So now you have this. Make a chain of 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5. Go into the next on a single and make on a straight line and make a single crochet. So you're going to repeat the same for all until you are back to this point. I've gotten to the last point. I have my 5 chain here. Then I'm just going to slip stitch into this part here. Then go into this part and make a slip stitch again. So now I have something of a circle. So this is the outer part and this is the inner part. Into this part I'm going to make a chain of 3. 1 2 3. And into this part I have 4 double crochet. 2 3 4. This is the double crochet. So 1 2 3 4. Chain 2. You have 4 double crochet. 1 2 3. So this is the corner space. 3 4. This is the corner space here. Don't chain anything. Go into the next 5 chain. 1 2 3 4. Don't chain anything. You have 4 here. Into your next 5 chain and going with 4 double crochet again. 1 2 3 4. Don't chain anything. Go into the next. 1 2 3 4. At this point you are going to create the second corner space. You're going to create the second corner space here because you have 1 corner space here. Then you made 4 double crochet in 2 stitches. Then into the next 4 double crochet, chain 2, then another 4 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 2 3 4. So now we have 2 corner space. Here we have 2 corner space. Don't chain anything. Go into the next space, which is here, and make 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Don't chain anything. Go into the next and make 4 double crochet. 1 2 3 4. Don't chain anything. Go into the next. So you are creating your third corner space here. 1 2 3, 4, chain 2, into the same space 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your 4 corners, you have your third corner space here, 1, 2, 3, and this is what it's looking like. So you're going to have your fourth corner space here. You have your corner space, you have your corner space here, then 1, 2, your corner space is going to have 1, 2, your corner space 1, 2. So continue and we'll meet up at the end. So I've gotten to the last point. I have 4 double crochet. So I'm back to the corner space where I'm going to make a slip stitch. So I'm just going to make a slip stitch into this tiny stitch hole in between this and this. Not into this, but into on top here. Chain 2, then cut. Pick a strand opposite each other and tie. So you're going to trim out all excess threads. Anyway you have excess yarn, please trim it out. So this is what I'm having as my granny square. Anywhere you have unequal size, you can just bring it back to the size. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye.